Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, I'm so glad you found us. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of small wood furniture and its impact on home decor, job opportunities, and profitability. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you enjoy the content. Your support really helps us grow and create more amazing videos for you. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends and family who might be interested. Stay with us until the end. There are some valuable insights and tips that you won't want to miss. Let's get started. Small wood furniture plays a vital role in today's home decor and furniture industry. As living spaces become more compact, the demand for versatile and aesthetically pleasing furniture has soared. This analysis will delve into three main areas: the impact of small wood furniture on home decor, the job opportunities it creates, and its potential for profit-making. By the end of this discussion, you'll gain a comprehensive understanding of why small wood furniture is not just functional but also a burgeoning sector ripe for exploration. One of the most compelling aspects of small wood furniture is its versatility and aesthetics. Small furniture pieces can seamlessly fit into various design styles, ranging from modern minimalism to rustic charm. The unique textures and grains of different types of wood can significantly enhance the visual appeal of a room. For instance, a beautifully crafted oakside table can serve as both a functional surface and a striking focal point. Furthermore, the finish supplied to wood, whether matte, glossy, or distressed, can complement existing decor, offering endless possibilities for personalization. Another crucial benefit of small wood furniture is its ability to optimize space. In urban environments where square footage is limited, small furniture becomes essential. Items like nesting tables, stools, and compact storage solutions allow homeowners to maximize their living area without sacrificing style. These pieces can be easily moved or tucked away when not in use, making them ideal for multifunctional spaces. As more people embrace minimalist lifestyles, the demand for practical yet stylish small furniture continues to rise. Sustainability is also becoming a significant consideration in home decor. As consumers become more environmentally conscious, there's an increasing preference for eco-friendly furniture. Small wood furniture made from sustainably sourced materials can not only enhance a home's aesthetic but also reflect the owner's commitment to environmental responsibility. This trend not only appeals to eco-conscious buyers but also opens up new avenues for designers and manufacturers who prioritize sustainable practices. The small wood furniture sector offers a variety of job opportunities, particularly in craftsmanship and artistry. Careers in woodworking and furniture design require a unique blend of creativity and technical skill. Aspiring craftsmen can learn essential techniques in carpentry, design, and finishing through formal education or apprenticeships. Mastering these skills can lead to fulfilling careers where artisans can express their creativity while producing functional pieces that enhance people's homes. Retail and sales roles are another avenue for job seekers in this industry. Furniture stores, both physical and online, constantly seek knowledgeable staff who can assist customers in finding the right pieces for their homes. Strong customer service and sales skills are crucial in this environment as they can significantly influence purchasing decisions. Additionally, as e-commerce continues to grow, opportunities in online sales and marketing are expanding, allowing individuals to reach a broader audience. Entrepreneurship is also a viable path within the small wood furniture market. Starting a small business in custom furniture making can be a rewarding venture for those with a passion for woodworking. Platforms like Etsy and social media allow artisans to showcase their creations to a global audience, making it easier than ever to turn a hobby into a profitable business. With the right marketing strategies and a unique product offering, individuals can carve out their niche in this competitive market. When it comes to profit making, the market demand for small wood furniture is on the rise. As more people seek to furnish their homes in ways that reflect their personal style and meet their practical needs, the appeal of small, well-designed furniture continues to grow. Trends such as minimalism and multifunctional furniture are driving this demand, particularly among younger consumers who prioritize both aesthetic and utility. However, understanding the cost considerations is crucial for anyone looking to enter this market. The production of small wood furniture involves various costs, including materials, labor, and overhead. By conducting thorough market research, aspiring entrepreneurs can determine competitive pricing strategies that not only cover costs but also ensure profitability. It's essential to strike a balance between affordability for customers and the sustainability of the business. Effective marketing strategies also play a significant role in the profitability of small wood furniture. Social media platforms offer creative ways to showcase products, engage with potential customers, and build a brand identity. Local markets and craft fairs can provide valuable exposure, allowing artisans to connect directly with their audience. Establishing a strong brand and clear, unique selling propositions can differentiate a business in a crowded marketplace, attracting a loyal customer base. In summary, small wood furniture is a multifaceted segment of the home decor industry that offers numerous advantages. Its versatility enhances living spaces, while the job opportunities it creates span craftsmanship, sales, and entrepreneurship. Moreover, the potential for profit-making is significant, driven by market demand and effective marketing strategies. Whether you're a consumer looking to decorate your home or an aspiring entrepreneur seeking to enter the furniture market, small wood furniture presents exciting possibilities worth exploring. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more great content. Your support means a lot to us, and it helps us continue creating valuable videos. Don't forget to share this with friends who might be interested. See you in the next video.